Hi guys, here I made another little tutorial, this time on Premiere Pro. Here we have a little video where we went to insert text behind a forest. It's simple.
Leave the lights off when you go. I don't wanna know.
We chose the paint bouquet effect. Will here it's all elementary.
Keep some flowers for your hair.
Choose the sky as a basis and then tweak the settings to the parameters we need.
Beam the bright sun down the road on your ride back home. In this town someone can spring out of nowhere.
Also do not forget about the reverse, otherwise nothing will come out.
And I swear you came out of nowhere.
All that's left is to add text, and here we have what we want.
Cool me down. And I've been looking for someone to understand this bluebird that just comes around.
I hope you all understand there is nothing completed here, so you have copied. Thank you all for being with me, and bye bye!